Hi, I am Anurag Saha. I scored 57 in WBJ 2026 and scored and got a rank of 4131. I am a NEET aspirant. I gave the previous NEET it was 570 and the re-NEET I got 513. Um, I hope that I can help you in your NEET preparation with my resources that I have followed and the strategies that I have followed. I will give you the short resources, that means not those bulky modules. I will give you the specific books, uh, a few number of books that you need to study repeatedly, read each and every line and their words, and remember it so that you can score better than the others. The first subject is physics. Uh, Physics is a less coding subject in NEET, but still you need to score at least 100 or 120, 140 like that. Um, in NEET, most of the questions, around 40 or 38 questions or 42 questions, are repeated from JMN. So I would recommend you should use JMN PIQ in this book. Mm. It's a mirror image, never mind. JMN PIQ 164 sits. These are from this publication. I use it a lot. Uh, there are 146 online course papers and 18 offline papers, and it's such a bulky book of PIQ that um, you should not do anything else. Just focus on this book and do it repeatedly, and you will get many questions common, not common, like they are similar to those you have done. um, uh, in terms of NCERT exercises, they are not that much helpful, or those coaching modules, they are good, but they are not suggestive. Like if you do 200 or 300 questions, you from a chapter, uh, you may get only 4 or 3 questions similar out of 6 questions that may come in one chapter of physics. But if you do the JEM and PIQ sincerely, and if you can retain all you have learned, those formulas, those methods, I am sure that you can score well, like 5 or 6 out of 6 questions done correct. Hmm. Then comes the second subject, chemistry. For physical chemistry, I would recommend you should practice the NEET PIQ 20 years. Um, it's JEM PIQ, I think you should avoid because there are many shifts. Uh, and Physics, you have no choice other than this, but JEM, it's optional. NEET PIQ are less, you can practice, you will have ample amount of practice, but it wouldn't be so much over practice that you will be shortage of you will have shortage of time. That won't happen if you use NEET PIQ. And also you should use the NCERT exercises, not examples. Only the physical chemistry chapters. As far as I know, there are 8 chapters in physical chemistry, and there are exercises like in equilibrium. I remember there are 65 questions. In atomic structure there are 78 questions. What you should do that, see, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, everyone we can do. We are class 11 or 12 students. uh, the problem here comes how to apply the formula and everything else. For that I used one. Okay, I will talk about that later. First, let me tell the resources. For organic chemistry, um, only NCERT. Um, for inorganic, also only NCERT. Then for Uh, biology also only NCERT. Here I have only in my it's certainly surprising that in my NEET preparation I used only few books like JMN PIQ and then the four in chemistry NCERTs and the two biology. Only one, two, three, and then only seven books to clear NEET, and then uh, now it's all about the books resources. Now comes the online resources. Online resources I would recommend you should use Mohit Singh's Neat Quick channel. He is an MBBS student, third year or fourth year, I don't know. I saw there is his third year student, but he explains great chemistry in a great way. Like if you see his inorganic chemistry videos, you will love it. And he also explains physical chemistry chapters like chemical bonding and periodic table with super easy way, and also organic part. Then comes the biology. Biology, I use the channel Beatdneet. You certainly heard about the channel. I will also write about those channels in the description. You may see it. Uh, it has the audiobooks of every chapters. Like if you try to, I know that some students are faster in revision, like they can complete biology in 2 or 3 days. But I am not like that. Sometimes it takes me 2 days to complete 11, 12 biology. Sometimes I take even 5 days or 4 days. So when I am mentally fatigued, so to avoid that problem, I use those audiobooks. Like I they cover the whole NCERT in biology in almost 14 to 16 hours, and I just listen them in 2 days. I just turn on the audiobook, keep my book in front of me myself. I just hear the words and keep my eye on the line or the words that are spoken. And once you learn the concept, it doesn't need further explanation every time when you read the line. You just automatically understand the line. Uh, and for chemistry, also Pankaj sir's organic chemistry. You should take the notes in short note form. Like I made 2 pages note for each of them. In organic, no, not organic, but organic and physical chemistry like solutions, electrochemistry. There are some data like MCQs in solutions. If you miss that out, it would be a loss. Like if we if you did, there is a solution type like negative deviation or positive deviation, or the divers, scuba divers cylinder composition, how much percentage air is which one and this one. And then the electrochemistry, you must have seen there is potassium halide and the sodium halide difference in electronegativity 1.8 something like that. Those are factual things. If that comes in MCQ, it would be a golden gem for you, because you don't have to spend your brain work. You don't have to do any brain work in that. Just remember the fact and go for it. Take like that. Um, yeah, these are all. And for physics, you should watch Umid One Shot MR sir. You see, now let's talk about the strategies. For physics, I said JM and PIQ. See, if you try to see the solutions and then do it, or you try to see the lectures and do the solutions, I think it would be a bad choice. Let's talk about it in some in the next video I post, because this is getting longer.